Hello, my name is Aidan, and welcome to our Super Mario characters. Last time we just did the Angry Birds, but today we're doing the Mario characters. So the first toy I'm going to show you is the pom-pom. Use the boss from Super Mario 3D World. And this is like the fish thing, you know, from Super Mario 3D World also, and also Super Mario 3D Land. And here's the roller. Everybody almost knows Super Mario 3D World. This guy was from Super Mario 3D World, which was actually the movie I got right here. And this is just the Bowser sign where you die or something, or you can just see a Bowser sign on any of your levels. And today this was the little thing in Super Mario 3D World. When it turns yellow, it turns electricity and tries to hurt the Super Mario people. And here's the tadpole from Super Mario 3D World also. And in the box we got a fire flower, you know, almost from every entire game. Not every entire game. And we got ourselves a double cherry, which it has two heads from Super Mario 3D World. Actually, this double cherry actually uses to multiply yourself. Okay. And almost nobody knows the star power from Super Mario New Rose. And here's the fireball. And here, you know, is the smasher, which tries to smash Mario. It's like made out of tough rock. It's almost like an American. And this is a Dark Koopa who works for Dark Bowser. Almost everybody knows about Dark Bowser's Inside Story, or Bowser's Inside Story. Okay, here's Dark Bowser in his shell mode. Here's Tiny Dark Koopa, who's actually very cute, I can say. And also, here's that Moley thing, was from Super Mario. Like, he's a boss. You know that mole thing with throws those tools? Those things, yeah. And here, you know, is the Koopa shell. When you kick it, it kills the other Koopas. And here you have it, the Kitty Goomba. Holy cow. And the Kitty Goomba is from Super Mario 3D World because he has a tail and he had transformed into a Kitty Goomba to a Goomba. Now you see, here's another Goomba. Blue Dark Koopa right here. Here's a mushroom, what it looks exactly like in the game. And here's that piranha plant. We got an accident with him. See, his head came off, and he's still fine. He just needs to rest a little bit. And then we just got another Dark Koopa. He got a problem too with his arm. It's okay. And now you see we got this kind of Dark Bowser right here. My mom made this Dark Bowser. And here's this machine Bowser rides in, also Bowser Jr. rides in, but it got way much accidents also. You know that clown car he rides in? And now you can see Dark Koopa again. Here's a smiley face of him accidentally, or arm of him. Here's a Dark Bowser face. It looks so cute, isn't it? And now we got Boom Boom. He's a smash type of a Koopa. Some people call Boom Boom the ultimate the destructive Goomba. His real name is Boom Boom. And as you see, Boom Boom had like a girlfriend, and it had this weapon, a pom-pom's weapon. And as you can see, pom-pom's right here. Now, excuse me, I have to go get the giant pom-pom right over here I made. I know, he doesn't even look like it. He's like a giant lizard type, but no eyes or something. But it looks like she's going to punch somebody, so you better watch out. And here's the giant weapon thing for the star throwing thing she throws. As like pom-pom right here. And we got this guy from Super Mario Inside Story. He's like, looks exactly like Bowser, but he's a little bit different. You see, Bowser has 3 spikes, and there's 3 spikes under all the way down to his tail. But this guy has 2 spikes up here, and they only go down. But this guy doesn't have spikes go through in the middle because Bowser has spikes in the middle of his body. Now you can see a giant fireball. As you can see, the tiny fireball we did, and we also made a giant fireball. Now you can see also we made giant Dark Bowser and Dark Bowser Jr. like a family. Okay. And as you can see, in Luigi's Mansion, we had the King Boo. And that's the final one we made with this Boo family. So thank you for watching. I will see you later next time. Bye-bye.